This is a picture of my mother-in-law's original recipe card. As you can see, it's been made a few times over the years. I'm going to have a little assistant today helping me out, putting the mayonnaise and the boiling water together. Once the mayonnaise and the boiling water are mixed together, you're going to add the sugar, and the flour, baking soda, This first cake that we're making is actually the vanilla version. So we're adding a vanilla powder. And then we also added some vanilla extract. I'll have exact measurements for everything in the description box. We're going to grease and flour our pan. And pour it evenly into our prepared pan. Set the vanilla cake aside while we work on the chocolate. For the chocolate, you're going to start out with all the same ingredients, the mayonnaise and the boiling water. You'll add your sugar, flour, and baking soda just as you did with the last one. But this time, instead of the vanilla powder and vanilla extract, we're going to add chocolate cocoa, unsweetened. Mix that in well and pour it into your greased and floured baking dish. In the oven. Toothpick comes out clean. Perfect. Let's make some icing for on top of these cakes. You're going to add some flour and milk to a saucepan to create the base for the icing. Combine them well and then continuously mix over the heat until this mixture creates a custard-like consistency. Then put it in the refrigerator until it gets very cold. Into a mixer, combine your softened butter, Crisco, and granulated sugar. Mix well until combined. Next, add your custard-like mixture. Add vanilla. You will definitely want to stop it and scrape down the sides to make sure you're getting everything combined. At this point, it'll probably still feel gritty, but I promise you, if you mix it long enough, that'll go away. Spread the icing on top and enjoy.